Okay guys, today what we're going to do is we're going to use the slide extension on the F1, and we will use this and we will engrave on this plank down here. All right, this wood piece of wood down here is a pine wood. All right, so because the width of this is I'm going to engrave at 230 mm length. All right, so we're going to use the slide extension, but first of all what we're going to do is we will have to calibrate it first. All right, so do make sure that I follow the steps, all right, to put the slider down here at 0. Okay, and thereafter we will actually go into next. We'll click next, pre-locking. Okay, tighten the screw on the left and right. Okay, so just follow the steps down here and we will proceed from there. So you use the screwdriver provided, okay, and we will actually screw to tighten it. Okay, after we have tightened the screw on the left, so the next step is we're going to click the next. Okay, so basically you can see the beam is there. Okay, so what we do is we move the slider, all right, so that the beam is actually on top of the light or the white line down here. After that, we click the next. The slide extension will move to the left, and we will actually tighten the screw on the right hand side down here. So after tighten up the screw onto the right, okay, the next thing is we will click the complete. Okay, so the calibration has been done. Okay, so you look here, all right, so this is the file, the Last Supper, and I already pressed the framing, so you can be able to notice, right? So this is the starting point. Okay, let me work all to the, so actually this is going to be the starting point. So when we turn the knob, okay, when we turn the knob, all right, so when we turn the knob, this is where it's supposed to go. Okay, do make sure this is the bottom line and then that is the top line. All right, so I will move all the way to the right, then you can be able to notice where it's supposed to end. Okay, so that is the ending point. Okay, so this is the ending point and this is the top. Okay, so if you want to do some minor adjustment, you can be able to do some minor adjustments. So this is the framing that it's being done right now. Okay, and this is the starting point. Okay, this is going to be the starting point on the lower bottom, and that is the on the top. Okay, so this is how the framing process works. Then the next thing is we will stop the framing. We will stop the framing. Okay, and we will go into the process. All right, so we will go into the start and we will start the engraving. Okay. Okay, then we will, after that, we will actually press the start button down here. All right. Okay, so the engraving process actually has been started. Okay, we will come back when it's done. Okay, so it's done. Okay, this is the outcome of it. So it took 23 minutes total time taken for the Last Supper. So at the end of the day, I actually added a score line around the image. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so everything has been completed. Okay, we will take a look of the outcome of it. Okay, really neat. Okay, so this is the depth of it. Okay, come back to the file down here. So this is the file. The setting that I use with the slide extension. Okay, I'm using the slide extension. I'm using the blue light. The dot it's 600, the power is 30, the DPI is 500. So that is the engraving part. Okay, for the scoring part will be, okay, this is the scoring line. The scoring line, it's okay, let me come back to this. Okay, the scoring outline, okay, also blue. The power is 30, the speed is 160 the max, and I went into 2 passes. So this is the complete tutorial of how are we going to use this light extension. I hope you guys actually following the process so far. So I'll see you in the next one.